If people drain you faster than silence energizes you, you're not lazy or antisocial. Your brain is wired to need solitude, and psychology says this need is essential for mental clarity and emotional balance. Research shows that alone time allows your mind to recharge, process experiences, and regulate emotions in ways constant social interaction cannot replicate. The reason you crave alone time is not a flaw, but a biological and psychological necessity. Your brain uses these moments to restore focus, reduce stress, and consolidate memories. Research shows that even brief periods of intentional solitude improve cognitive performance, emotional resilience, and creativity, while allowing your mind to reflect on past experiences and imagine future possibilities without interruption, which is why many people feel most alive or insightful when they are completely alone. When you withdraw intentionally, your brain enters what psychologists call the default mode network state, where mind-wandering promotes problem-solving, self-reflection, and creativity. This mental state is crucial because your thoughts are no longer competing with social cues or external demands. Research shows that people who spend regular time alone report stronger self-awareness, clearer thinking, and a deeper sense of identity, validating that solitude is active mental restoration rather than emptiness. Alone time also gives your brain a break from social stressors and judgment. Research shows that it lowers cortisol levels and helps recover from overstimulation and social fatigue. Your mind gets space to process feelings, regulate emotions, and reinforce intrinsic motivation, which is why after a long day of interactions you might feel drained in crowds, but refreshed after reading, walking, or simply sitting quietly alone. Psychologists say these moments strengthen emotional resilience and enhance decision-making by allowing your brain to integrate experiences without distraction. Solitude reinforces personal growth by giving your brain room to focus on passions, hobbies, and long-term goals. Research shows that people who prioritize alone time are more creative, satisfied, and less dependent on external validation. When you are alone, your brain can imagine new possibilities, rehearse personal improvements, and generate innovative solutions without interference, which explains why some of the most profound insights and ideas often appear during quiet moments when no one else is around. In short, your need for alone time is normal, healthy, and supported by science. It allows your brain to rest, reflect, and recharge while boosting creativity, emotional resilience, focus, and self-awareness. Psychology says respecting this need can improve relationships, productivity, and overall well-being, and research shows that people who honor their alone time feel less stress, more clarity, and greater life satisfaction, making solitude not a luxury, but a necessity. If you've ever felt guilty for wanting time alone, remember that your brain needs it to function optimally.